Okay, welcome back to this module. This is where we'll be starting up our main coding practice. So now, as I said earlier, I said we're going to be starting with HTML heading tags. So now, we're going to start with the HTML heading tags, as I said. So in HTML, we'll have 6 heading tags, starting from heading 1 to heading 6. That is the least and the smallest heading tags. So now, in practical way, let us start typing in the HTML tags here. For H1, if you want to type in H1, that is to say you want to display that text to be your biggest heading in the browser. So now we type in H1, H1, H1. You say heading 1, heading 1. So but for, let us say, time sake, we're going to be copying this, and let us see, we'll be pasting it. So copy it, we paste it 6 times, because we want 6 heading tags. So you paste it, you paste it, you paste it. But remember, as you're pasting it, when you are done pasting it, you will change the heading tags. Let us see, this one is supposed to be heading 2, so we change it to 2, no longer heading 1 again. This one heading 3, we change it to 3, no longer heading 1 again. Change it to 3. The following one is heading 4, we change it to 4. Like that. Change this one to heading 5. We change this one to heading 6. The least but not the finishing of the matter. So this is the smallest HTML heading tags you can ever find on it. So we change this one to 3, this to 4, this to 5, this to 6. So as you can see, if you or me display this in the browser, you realize that the heading 1 will be bigger than the other headings here, continuously like that. So my advice for you is that when using this, you should use them appropriately, in the sense that once you have used heading 1 in a section and you want to use something that is lesser, or you want a text that will be lesser than the heading 1, you will use heading 2 continuously like that. So let us display this in the browser and see the outcome of our code. So click this symbol that looks like a movie play symbol on top of this page. So once you click this, it displays the code. So as you can see, H1 is bigger than the H2, and H2 is bigger than H3, continuously like that. If you can look, H6 is even looking smaller, as I said earlier, and to this, saying that you might not even see the text like that, but once you are able to zoom it, you will see it clearly. So now, as I will tell you, is that I just give references. You can type in anything you want to type here, like any text you want it to be. For instance, let us go back and change this heading 1 to, say, let us say my website. So we change this to my website. My website. Once you display this on the browser now, you see that this H1 is no longer heading 1, is website, my website, right? So you see, this one turns to my website. So what you want to be displayed, what you want your users to be seeing, that you will type in there. I can even decide to type my promo code, and it will display promo code for users to see that this is what I am requesting, oh, this is what I want to display for them, or this is what I want to display on my app or my website. So as for this, I am off. See you on the next module.